Sunday. Meet up at the Pennsylvania Convention Lodge and RV Parkatorial. Sunday. Come down for the largest gun show anywhere. Gun show Sunday. Say you've got a neighbor you don't like? Come get some guns. Sunday. That landlord pestering you for rent again?
Straight up
Come get a gun.
Sunday.
That mailman messing with your trailer while you're not home? Get some guns and ammo. Bring your wife. Bring your dog.
Bring your guns.
Say you got issues with a libtard? Come buy some guns. That D-bag moaning about your president?
Give him some lead advice.
Love the white after Labor Day? Grab your guns. Grab your shotgun. Gun show Sunday. This weekend at the Pennsylvania Convention Lodge and RV Parkatorium. That's the Pennsylvania Convention Lodge and RV Parkatorium. September 2nd, amendment only. If you've got lead, they gonna be dead.